Bricks and Christian. Ayan, all the names that I called, please come up on stage. Lahat po ng mga tinawag na names. Kat, EG, Mako, Jess, Bricks, and Christian. Genevieve. And also Genevieve. Good evening. Ayan, ang ating... palapakan nyo naman, oh. Bricks Chan. Make some noise for Bricks Chan. And yung ating iba pang mga influencers. But before that, Bricks, would you like to say anything to Luxers for tonight?
Hi, magandang gabi. Good evening po, everyone, and thank you for having us.
Si Christian naman.
Actually, galing pa kaming concert. Dumabo lang kami rito kay Miss A. Ayan, congratulations po dito sa ating Lux event. Thank you so much for having me.
Kanya naman, all of our ambassadors, di ba? They have a huge contribution. Siyempre, sa success ng Lux Beauty and Wellness Group. Ayan, Bricks and Christian, dito muna kayo. Samahan niyo muna ako because meron tayong ipamimigay na Zion Massage Chair. Can we have the cellphone? Okay. Mary Light. Oh, we forgot Mary Light. Where's Mary Light? Mary Light. Miss Mary Light. Mary Light. Nasaan si Mary Light? Okay. So, can I have the phone, please? Okay. Bricks Christian. May tatawag kasi dyan. So, kung sinong unang tumawag dyan, ay mananalo ng Zion Massage Chair. So, sila kakausap pa. Okay, you know the drill. Ready your phones. Bring out your phones. Labas nyo na yung phones nyo. And the number is 0936-027-6-5-4-1. Go ahead. Paunahan tumawag. Meron na ba? Oy, ba't wala na ba tawag? 0936. Okay, go ahead.
Hello?
Hi.
Ano pangalan po?
Raj Chen.
Nandito ka ba?
Yes, I'm over here. On your left.
Ito on your left. Ayan, congratulations!
Congratulations! You just won a Zion Massage Chair. Ayan, mag-photo lang tayo with Bricks and Christian together with our winner. Once again, thank you Zion Philippines for the massage chair. Maraming salamat. Okay. Diba? Ganap na ganap ang masquerade team natin. Okay, congratulations. Thank you, Zion Philippines. Compress na lang po tayo. Ayan, gitna tayo. Thank you, Bricks and Christian for presenting this special prize from Zion Philippines. Di pa natatapos ang sorpresa. Hold on to your seats. We are near in the end of the program. Thank you, Bricks and Christian. Maraming salamat. Palakpan po natin si Bricks and Christian. Thank you so much for joining us. Maraming salamat.